Did you know that your gut health plays a huge role in how your body manages inflammation and recovers from injury? The gut isn't just about digestion, it's the foundation of your immune system and one of the biggest factors influencing how quickly and effectively your body heals. Inside your gut lives a community of trillions of bacteria called the gut microbiome. These microbes help digest food, produce vitamins, and regulate your body's inflammatory response. When this balance is healthy, inflammation stays under control. But when the gut becomes imbalanced, a condition called dysbiosis, inflammation can increase, slowing down recovery and making pain or swelling worse. So how does this happen? Poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, and overuse of antibiotics can all harm the good bacteria in your gut. When that balance is disrupted, your intestinal lining becomes more permeable, often called leaky gut. This allows unwanted particles and toxins to enter your bloodstream, triggering the immune system and creating widespread inflammation. To keep your gut and your recovery in top shape, start with your diet. Fiber is your gut's best friend. It feeds the good bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, compounds that reduce inflammation and support tissue healing. Load up on vegetables, fruits, beans, and whole grains. Next, include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. These introduce beneficial bacteria that help restore gut balance. If you're not getting enough through food, a high-quality probiotic supplement can also be helpful. Prebiotics are equally important. They're the food that keeps probiotics alive and thriving. You'll find them in garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, and oats. Healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids from fish, chia seeds, or flax seeds, help reduce inflammation both in the gut and throughout the body. Meanwhile, avoid refined sugars, processed foods, and alcohol, which feed bad bacteria and worsen inflammation. Hydration is another simple but crucial factor. Water keeps digestion smooth and helps flush out toxins that contribute to inflammation. Beyond food, lifestyle choices also affect gut health. Chronic stress and poor sleep can throw off your microbiome and increase inflammatory responses. Practicing deep breathing, meditation, or gentle movement like yoga can help calm your gut-brain connection, a powerful pathway that links emotions to inflammation levels. Supplements like L-glutamine, zinc carnosine, and omega-3s can further support gut healing, while vitamin D helps regulate immune activity in the intestines. Remember, controlling inflammation starts from within. By nourishing your gut, you're strengthening your body's natural defense and repair systems. The better your gut health, the faster your body can calm inflammation, rebuild tissues, and return to balance. Healing isn't just about rest and rehab. It's about rebuilding harmony inside your body. Feed your gut well, manage stress, and stay consistent, and you'll give your body the strongest foundation for recovery possible.